Hi everyone who's watching my project of the EDF drone rocket. I'm still working on it. Unfortunately, I didn't test it in a real life yet, but I'm working on it. It's getting more and more complex, so I want you to take a look at my latest CAD. So you see the blue one, it's a small intake I added for cooling down the battery and the ESC because it's getting really hot if you use a current like more than 70 amps. This is the back block. It has a flight controller. Okay, back to the front one. You see more in detail view. As you can see, there's a video transmission unit. I put it on a wall for better cooling. I hope it will help. Also made EDF length a bit shorter. So it used to be 100 millimeters, that's 90 millimeters. Okay, and the back block, yeah, no changes here. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you posted.